Today, we received a Xiaomi 10, sent by customer for repair. We can see its screen has been broken. The camera function doesn't work in flashback. Our customer tried to replace camera module, but it didn't work. He confirms that failure caused by mainboard, then sent it to us for repair. Xiaomi 10, that helps for rear camera design. From top to bottom, they are telephoto lens, portrait lens, main camera and super wide-angle lens. Now open back cover with an opening tool. Tear down screws. Wireless charging coil. Tail antenna. Battery port, flashlight port, camera, shield, display and touch port. Speaker and SIM card tray in turn. Take out mainboard, put it under microscope and inspect it carefully. Four rear camera connectors pins are clean and complete. Then inspect Xiaomi 10 circuit. We found that 4 rear camera module signals are mainly controlled by CPU chip U3100, while power supply comes from camera power chip U7302. Under the premise of being heavily dropped, maybe it is chip false soldered, that causes failure. Remove shield sticker, CPU shows up. To prevent false soldered caused by removing shield by hot air gun, we determined to cut a small opening of the shield with a prying knife. Add solder paste and then remove camera power supply chip. Remove power supply chip with hot air gun at 360 degrees and wind of 30. Reball it with universal reballing stencils. Reinstall camera power supply chip back to main board. Install main board and install all the rest parts back to phone. Let's test camera function. It works well. Xiaomi 10 camera flashback failures repaired successfully. This is Xiaomi 10 camera flashback repair tutorial. Have you learned it? What other repair challenges have you encountered? Welcome to leave us a message. Don't forget to follow our channel, more wonderful videos waiting for you.